In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can back up WhatsApp to iCloud so that all of your messages, photos, and videos stay safe. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. On top of that, if you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're actually going to want to do is close out of WhatsApp and go ahead and open up the settings app on your iPhone. And up at the very top, go ahead and tap on your name and then go ahead and scroll down and select iCloud just like so. Now, before backing up WhatsApp, we do need to make sure that two things are set up correctly. First, go ahead and select your storage up at the very top, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Simply go ahead and just make sure that you have enough iCloud space available. WhatsApp backups, especially with photos and videos, can take up a lot of storage, and if you are low on space, you can tap change storage plan and upgrade if needed. But now go back to the main iCloud section right here and scroll down, and you're going to want to look for the option that says see all for save to iCloud. Just open this up, scroll down on here and look for WhatsApp, and essentially just go ahead and turn it on. This should be down towards the very bottom. Mine's already ticked on. Now from here, go ahead and back out and go ahead and open up WhatsApp and tap on the settings button down in the bottom right corner. From here, just scroll down, find chats and open it up, and then select chat backup just like so. And here you'll see the last backup time and the total size of that backup. To manually back everything up right now, simply just go ahead and tap backup now. I also would highly recommend enabling automatic backups. You could choose daily, weekly, or monthly. I recommend weekly at a minimum. Just make sure to include your videos if you do want your videos saved as well. But that is it. Once the backup finishes, the date and time will update, confirming that your WhatsApp data is safely stored in iCloud. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.